Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to connect your BloodStrike mobile account to your PC. For that you have to follow my instructions very carefully. It's actually very easy. So whenever you are in your home page on your mobile, at the top right corner you'll be able to see a settings option. Just tap on it. Okay, you can see a settings option at the top right corner. Okay, here it is. Now at the top right corner again an icon button, tap on it. Now you have to just tap on the link account at the first option. Now scroll down until you find the option Steam. So this is the basic thing. You have to create a Steam account, or if you have your Steam account already, you can just sign in here. Okay, or if you don't have, you need to just create an account. So the basic procedure is, if you want to play this BloodStrike on your PC, then you have to log in with the Steam account. This is the same Steam account you are right now signing in or creating a new account. So basically this is very easy process. Just create an account like that. Okay, that's done. After that, go to your PC and sign in with your Steam account onto your BloodStrike games. So that's it. And if this tutorial helped you, subscribe to my channel.